Shower leaking. I want to make sure it's kind of straight because some things are cross thread. I want to go in straight. Don't be leaking behind though. You don't want it leaking on your back though. That's gonna be a tough problem. That water ain't no joke. Here's a little tool. Tighten it down. Just make sure they're all tight. I'm gonna tighten this into this. It's a little smaller than front control. How loose the knob is, I tighten it all the way. And then just back it up a little bit so that the controls have tight. Basically the knob is when you want to turn on the shower. Yeah, just take one. Try it and see how it twists. It twists pretty good. Yeah, twists pretty good. I don't know. I think I want to tighten it up some more though. Look like it's a little more play than that than I would like. So tighten it up, always check it again. If it's too tight, then back it up off there a little bit. So I don't know, gotta turn it on. I think I need to back it off there because it's a little tight on there. It's a little tight on there. Not too much. Try it again, see here. Not too tight. Not too tight. You don't want no leak in that wall. You definitely don't want no leak in that wall. And you don't want to drop all your tools, you know. Then just put on your just put on your new. At this point, you really want to cut the water on and make sure it's not leaking right on that wall before you put these things on. And, you don't want to have to go back in there. And you don't want to find this leak on them. Won't be fun, I'm telling you that. Sure. Oh. Get steady, baby. Get it steady, push that towards that wall. I still don't like that. I still don't like that. I still don't like that. see. I don't like something like that. What are you playing with? Boom. Put that screw back in that bad boy. So it helps to have a magnetic. Don't you do that to me. I always have that drain closed on because them screws will fall. And you gonna lose it, cause get that hole in there. Get it in there. Just get that screw tightened down in there. We good, we good. That's it, tighten down. Then push a little. Make it a little hot soon. Push it in there. I like that. Okay. 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 Maybe I gotta get another one. It'd be something so simple, you'd be like, bro, come on. Whatever. I'll come back. That's it, though. You just push it. Just change it. Just go all through them like that, bro.